On May 13th, 2025, at approximately 10:22 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Fort Brown Border Patrol agents received a request for assistance from the Texas Department of Public Safety regarding shots fired at the intersection of East 23rd Street and Hortensia Street in Brownsville, Texas. A Texas DPS trooper attempted to stop a Ford Explorer near Southmost Road and 22nd Street, but the driver of the vehicle fled. While fleeing, the driver fired at the Texas DPS trooper's vehicle and then crashed into another vehicle. The driver abandoned the vehicle and fled on foot. At approximately 10:30 a.m., Fort Brown BPAs responded to the vicinity and met with Brownsville Police Department. Rio Grande Valley Sector Special Operations Detachment BPAs arrived shortly after. Fort Brown and SOD BPAs assisted with establishing a perimeter and in the search for the driver. After a 90-minute search, the driver was located behind a house at 3145 East 23rd Street, Brownsville, Texas. Responding law enforcement officers observed him holding a pistol and repeatedly ordered the driver to drop the weapon and show his hands. The driver maintained control of the pistol in his hand and ignored commands. He then ran towards the back door of the house and reportedly pointed the pistol at law enforcement officers from Texas DPS, Brownsville Police Department, and an SOD BPA, who subsequently fired their service-issued firearms. The driver sustained gunshot wounds to his left arm and pelvic area. The driver was handcuffed and moved to the front of the house, where law enforcement emergency medical technicians, including a BPA EMT, began providing medical care. He was still conscious and verbally responsive.
What do you say about 20? He took off on foot. He took off on foot?
They made contact in the alleyway.
Let me see your fucking hands! Put your fucking hands up! I'll shoot you! Put your fucking hands up! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! Crawl! Crawl! Stand back! Stand back! Crawl to me! Crawl to me! His gun is on the other side. Crossfire! Get the gun, he's right behind him. He's been shot. I need to get him. Hey! Medic, give me a minute. Hey, he's been shot. I got. Hey,
Hey, put him down.
hey, put him down here.
How many port side is
Fuck. Hey, dude, I took.
You took shots.
I took shots. All right.
You okay?
All right, I'm good. I'm good. I got my suit. I got him right.
Okay. You're good. Hey, you stay with us.
All right.
We'll maintain it, okay?
Hey.
stand by?
Hello?
We have a ranger here.
Dude.
Have no wire.
No, so, shots fired, so. I shot the guy, so he's hit.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, I'm good.
I was right behind you, bro.
Okay, yeah. So, I'm good. All right, anyways, we'll be here. So, at my location, that's where I'm at. Yeah, we shot him. And he's still alive. I did, me. And two other.
Okay.
Yeah, me and two other, and the DPS. Just to let you know. Yeah. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, bye. Hey, he jumped the fence from over there this way.
Yes, we're good. Hey.
Oh, he empty. Put it, when you take his handcuffs off, when you put an occlusive on him.
him in the recovery position.
Yeah, he's fine. I think he went through.
Just put him in the recovery position. Bring him up.
Back here on the arm. And then